Today we're going to be looking at these adorable 7-ounce glass storage containers with lids. These could also be candle containers if you make your own candles, but today I'm going to be using them for spices and tea. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. These are packaged very well to protect them during shipping. Inside the box, we're going to have 16 of these little glass jars. They have a nice thick base and a nice bamboo lid that does have a seal. Because I'm using these for food storage, I did wash them thoroughly and now I'm drying them thoroughly before I add my spices. I have started to buy my spices in bulk because it's more economical that way, especially for the ones that we use the most, like salt, pepper, oregano, garlic, onion powder, etc. All of the staples. Now, I was going to originally put tea in there, but I discovered that most of my tea had expired, so I do have some coffee beans that need a new home, and this glass jar was perfect for the amount I had left. I'm going to put the other 12 jars in the dishwasher and then order some additional spices in bulk. But for now, I'm going to add labels to the ones that I already have using a chalk pen and some chalk pen friendly sticky labels. Pro tip, if you're using the chalk pen like I am, let it completely dry before you try to put the label onto the jar. This looks much better than what I had going on before, and they're easily accessible.